Hi everyone, my name is Ivan Jumel Leon, your Mr. International Philippines Bataan.
Hi Ivan, so how are you? How's the feeling so far that you're already official candidate of Mr. International Philippines?
Actually, proud to represent my province and also medyo pagod since rehearsals and yung mga activities namin. But it's worth it naman.
Excited ka your co-candidate?
Yes, actually, kagabi pa lang kasi ako pinaka-late na dumating. And pagkadating ko, na-feel ko agad yung bond namin together. So I'm super happy and syempre I'm super thankful na rin sa Mr. International to meet this wonderful people.
Ano yung mga preparations na ginawa mo for this
Ako kasi,
competition?
6 months ago pa ako nag-prepare. So, nag-focus ako physically, nag-gym, diet, super hirap, but worth it naman. Yun. And also, question and answer, train it every day.
So ano ini-expect nila for the upcoming coronation night from you?
Expect more from me. I will, syempre, mas magpapaganda pa ng body. More on communication skill and the best version of Ivan.
Okay, that's perfect. Thank you so much, Ivan.
Thank you.
Bye.